Hello friends. Welcome to Purushottam Academy. Please subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon for further notifications regarding our videos. What is a radar? Full form of radar, radio detection and ranging. Radar, electromagnetic sensor used for detecting, locating, tracking, and recognizing objects of various kinds at considerable distances. It operates by transmitting electromagnetic energy toward objects, commonly referred to as targets, and observing the echoes returned from them. The targets may be aircraft, ships, spacecraft, automotive vehicles, and astronomical bodies, or even birds, insects, and rain. Besides determining the presence, location, and velocity of such objects, radar can sometimes obtain their size and shape as well. What distinguishes radar from optical and infrared sensing devices is its ability to detect faraway objects under adverse weather conditions and to determine their range or distance with precision. Radar is an active sensing device in that it has its own source of illumination, a transmitter, for locating targets. It typically operates in the microwave region of the electromagnetic spectrum, measured in hertz, cycles per second, at frequencies extending from about 400 MHz to 40 GHz. It has, however, been used at lower frequencies for long-range applications, frequencies as low as several megahertz, which is the HF, high frequency, or shortwave band, and at optical and infrared frequencies, those of laser radar or LIDAR. The circuit components and other hardware of radar systems vary with the frequency used, and systems range in size from those small enough to fit in the palm of the hand to those so enormous that they would fill several football fields. Radar underwent rapid development during the 1930s and 1940s to meet the needs of the military. It is still widely employed by the armed forces, where many technological advances have originated. At the same time, radar has found an increasing number of important civilian applications, notably air traffic control, weather observation, remote sensing of the environment, aircraft and ship navigation, speed measurement for industrial applications and for law enforcement, space surveillance, and planetary observation. Fundamentals of radar. Radar typically involves the radiating of a narrow beam of electromagnetic energy into space from an antenna. See the figure. The narrow antenna beam scans a region where targets are expected. When a target is illuminated by the beam, it intercepts some of the radiated energy and reflects a portion back toward the radar system. Since most radar systems do not transmit and receive at the same time, a single antenna is often used on a time-shared basis for both transmitting and receiving. A receiver attached to the output element of the antenna extracts the desired reflected signals and, ideally, rejects those that are of no interest. For example, a signal of interest might be the echo from an aircraft. Signals that are not of interest might be echoes from the ground or rain, which can mask and interfere with the detection of the desired echo from the aircraft. The radar measures the location of the target in range and angular direction. Range, or distance, is determined by measuring the total time it takes for the radar signal to make the round trip to the target and back. See below. The angular direction of a target is found from the direction in which the antenna points at the time the echo signal is received. Through measurement of the location of a target at successive instants of time, the target's recent track can be determined. Once this information has been established, the target's future path can be predicted. In many surveillance radar applications, the target is not considered to be detected until its track has been established. Please subscribe to Purushottam Academy for more videos.